Hello, today I'm going to give you a presentation on mobile computing and the proposal I want to propose to the school district to get computers or some kind of technology for our classrooms. Today we also face an uphill battle against the technology and how it's used and how it's not used and how we're supposed to use it, but don't have really the means to get there. It's always a battle to have keeping computers and everything in the classroom and keeping up with technologies that students are able to access it not only here but at home. A lot of students I know in lower districts do not have the technology at home. They don't have computers, laptops. They might have a cell phone, but you don't want students doing homework on a cell phone. So one of the key problems is just trying to keep up with technology. Um, Today we use computers for everything, whether it's reading, writing, sending emails, researching, whatever it is, there's always something that could be used for a computer or a laptop or iPads, tablets, anything like that. But we need to try to keep up with technology. I know we don't have a lot of budgeting for it, but there's the ways to get around that budgeting that we can actually get the problem solved. There's grants, there's different companies actually just donate laptops, computers, stuff like that. But like I was saying, students use them computers, technology, everything, like typing papers, researching, doing assignments, and a lot of schools are going paperless. That way they can save some money. And so being able to go paperless and use technology like we need to is a easy way to eliminate some costs in the school year, but it doesn't eliminate everything. There's always something you need papers for. So some of the solutions that we have, and my solution for this problem is to buy iPads for all students. Um, iPads will allow all the students to keep in contact with their teachers, the school, what's coming up in the school, turning in assignments, doing homework, writing papers, researching papers. Um, I know a lot of teachers in our district is already going into paperless. They're doing everything through Google Docs. They're sending or emails out. They're sending assignments out through email. And students, some of them don't have stuff at home. They don't have the technology at home to do their homework, so they only have time in school. And then by the time they're in class all day, they might only have a seminar or a study hall for 15, 20 minutes. They don't have time to do it. So we need to be able to give our students this technology, and that way they can have it at their palm of their hand pretty much all the time. With this, I'd also think we need 200 iPads, and we need at least one or two carts. Like carts will allow for charging and storage, and that way every student will be able to charge it, have a charging port if they need to. They can also take the cords with them, but it'd be accessed in one area if they need to. Some of the costs for these iPads, Apple actually gives a discount for iPads, and it's $200 per iPad. It sounds like a lot, which it is a lot. It's $40,000. But doing some more research, there are ways that you can actually get Apple to help donate some, if not all, the iPads. It would save costs a lot with buying them and having them. And comparing this to what a laptop costs, I looked up that price too. Most places will let you have a discount for laptops since you're a school, but you're only discounting from like $1,200 to about 1,000 or a little bit less. So you're already saving $800 per unit that way. Apple also does have an Apple Pencil. It's like a little stencil. You can write on stuff, poke stuff. They do give a discount on that too, but it's only like $3 off, but it'd be $89 per pencil. So if you figure that in, you don't have to, but you can. That would be the cost for all the iPads, which is, it sounds like a lot, but if you're going to spend a little over 1,000 per computer compared to $200 per iPad, you're going to spend anywhere from $150,000 to $200,000, and you're going to spend $40,000. It's big price difference there. The way these students can use these, they'd be able to access their iPad during the day, anytime of school day. Teachers can use them, help them. They'll be able to tell them right there, be like, this is your iPad. You have the responsibility to make this your iPad. Do what you need to do on it. Do the homework, contact me, do your assignments, write papers, research it, whatever you need to do, you can do it right here at school. They will also be able to take these iPads home with them. They will have to take some responsibility in this. They will also have to sign a couple things with the computer, with the school, saying, okay, this is what we got. This is your iPad. Sign this. You're reliable for any damage that it might occur with this iPad. You are also responsible for bringing it back and having it with you every single day. So yes, it does fall a little bit of responsibility on us at the school, but it also falls on them. If they don't have it, they don't have it. That's on them. They lose that privilege for not having their iPad that day in school. Um, for some kids, we also might have to implement that they cannot take it home if it becomes a problem or a nuisance. Um, they can keep it just at school, not that hard of a deal to do. Make sure a teacher takes it at the end of the day or something like that. They have that figured out. We haven't got all the kinks figured out, but it is possible to have them not take that home with them. Um, but this would help a lot with all of our students. And the last thing I want to cover is the impact this will have. Having iPads for every single student all the time during the day, there's no excuse for them not to get stuff done anymore. They can't be like, well, I don't have internet at home. I don't have a computer. I don't have this. I don't have that. Yes, you do. You have the iPad. You have the iPad that's yours, essentially. And you can use it for whatever you need to do with all your homework assignments. So you can keep in contact with your teachers. Okay, if you're sick, obviously you need to tell your office or whatever, but you can email your teacher, hey, I'm sick today. What I miss? Can I get the notes? Can I do this? Can I do that? Send them straight to them. Have the stuff done. Okay. Also, it gives them responsibility. It makes them be responsible for something that's bigger than themselves. Obviously, students use these every single day. Their phones. They have to use that every single day. They will use it. I know there are blockers that we need to put on there so they can't get into inappropriate things. We don't want that to happen because we all know that students probably have a mind of their own, and a lot of the time they do whatever they want to do. But there are some restrictions we need to work through, but if we can pass this, it would impact our school in a big way and help our students immensely with this whole keeping up technology thing. Thank you for your time today, and I appreciate it.